Snoring at night? Here's what you can do, a simple exercise for you to snore less or not snore at all anymore. Now what we do in order to get there is we close our nose and we just speak. It's pretty easy. You speak and you hopefully sound normal, like you usually sound, and then you drop the palate. You drop the palate means you start speaking very nasal. Now my palate is very low. It's down. It's falling. It's almost. I think it's touching the tongue most of the time. And then you put it up again, and then you sound normal again, right? And then you go back and forth. You go down again with the palate, and then you go up again with the palate, and you go down again with the palate, and then you go up again with the palate